Teachers. In this video we are going to see how we can use Microsoft 365 to conduct our classes. For that you have to open this URL, which is microsoft365.com, and you have to sign in with the account which is provided by Carte Blanche. So once I'll click on my account, if you haven't signed in with any of the account earlier, you have to write down your ID as well. But I have already saved my ID and the password here, so it will take by itself. Then I'll click on sign in. This will take you towards the home page of Microsoft 365. All you need is to understand the features of Teams, Microsoft Teams. So I have clicked on this icon. This will take you towards the Microsoft Teams, and we'll see what are the features available here and how we can create a classroom, how we can create an assignment, how we can upload the data, how we can add the students, the teachers, etc. Whatever we were doing onto the Google Classroom, we'll see all those features here. Once we'll click on Create Teams, we'll get an option to create a class, and we'll give a name to our class. We can also give the description to the class, but it's optional, so I'm clicking on Next. Now here we'll get the option to add students and teachers inside the classroom. For now, I'm skipping this option. Later we'll add once we'll reach inside the class. Now once the class is created, there are certain options available inside the class. Today I'll show you only few features of Microsoft Teams which are very much important from the point of view of creating the class, uploading the material, and conducting the online class. For that, we are having an option to upload class material in the general area. Once I click on upload class materials, we'll be able to see this kind of view. Here we can create a new folder, or we can create any kind of document, whatever we want. For now, I'm creating a folder and I'm giving the name of the folder as English. Once I'll click on create, the folder will be created. I can get inside the folder and I can even upload any number of files, or we can upload folder, the template, or whatever we want. I'm clicking on files. I'm uploading the class material. Once I have uploaded, I'll be able to see that document here, and the students who are added here, they will also be able to see this particular document. Now let's move towards General tab again. Here there is an area which is File. In this area you will be able to see all the files which are being uploaded. Now let's move back to the post. The Streams option, which is available in Google Classroom, it is similar to that. You can start a new conversation. You can upload any file if you want. And once you will send this particular conversation, it will be shown here only. So the conversation which we people have recently added is shown here, and the students can send the reply of it. They can even download the file which is being attached. Now let's move towards the area from where we'll be able to conduct our online classes. So we have to go towards calendar. Once we are here onto the calendar page, We can schedule a meeting by clicking here onto the new meeting. We can start the meeting instantly, and we can even join the meeting with the meeting ID. So let's see if we want to create the meeting instantly and if we want to share the link with the students, how we are going to do that. Click here on Meet Now. Give the title to your meeting. Start the meeting. Once you have reached here, it will ask you to join now. Once you will click here, it will give you an option to copy the meeting URL. You can copy from here and then you can share wherever you want, maybe in the classroom itself, maybe in the WhatsApp group, and wherever you want, you people can share it. Here you can see the list of participants who have joined the meeting. You can share document basically by clicking here, and even here there are certain options available just like you were having in the Google Meet. So in this way people can conduct the meetings using Microsoft Teams. Let's move back and understand what else we can do. Once we'll click on new meeting, we can schedule a meeting just like we were having an option to schedule a meeting in the Google Meet as well. Similar to that, we can schedule a meeting and we can share the link with the people who are being added, and even we can share the link with the students in the group itself. So these were the options available in Microsoft Teams. Let us move back to Microsoft Teams and understand from where we can add the students in the class later if we want. So we'll click here, we'll click on Add Member. Again, we'll be getting those two options to add students as well as teachers inside the class. We have to simply write their IDs here and then we'll click on Add. The student or the teacher will be added inside the classroom. In this way, we people can create our own classroom. We can set up the classroom and even we can add people to conduct the online classes smoothly. If you don't want to use the online portal of Microsoft Teams, then you can even download Microsoft Teams into your own devices. Maybe it's a mobile phone or a tablet or any of the other device. And you can similarly log in using the carte blanche ID. I'm going to show you the screens which are available in tablet or mobile phone in the same video. Let's move towards the tablet. Dear teachers, this is the view which you are going to get onto the mobile phone or the tablet. You can click here on Teams, you can create your own class, or you can see the class in which you are being added or you have created. So you have to click on General. Here you can see all your posts, you can start your new conversation or you can add as many files which you want. Let's move back and understand the features of calendar. You can schedule a meeting from here or you can start an instant meeting. You can click here on Meet Now. You can share the link into the same portal in the conversation or you can share the link onto the WhatsApp group as well. So this is how you people can create your own classes. You can conduct the online classes wherever you want and whenever you want. I hope you people have understood the basic features which are available onto the Microsoft Teams and which are very much useful from the point of view of creating your own class, uploading the class material and even for conducting your online classes. The class-wise mentors will be created and the list will be shared tomorrow. If you further have any query, you can always contact your mentors. Thank you so much for listening me patiently.